Welcome to VowProof. In this video, we're going to build your product catalog. To get started, go to the sidebar and click Products. This is where you'll start building out the items you sell most often. Click Add Product. In the Add Product modal, enter a product name such as 5x7 Flat Invitation. Select a relevant category from the category dropdown, and enter the price in the base price per unit field to complete product details. Next, select a pricing mode option. This can be either a price per piece or flat rate depending on your product, and enter the size label. Next, you will enter your print method and optionally specify a die cut shape from the dropdown. Enter the width and height dimension of your product. Below the dimensions, you will then enter a relevant paper stock if it applies. Select your income category. This will keep your products organized for itemized reports. Optionally, you can select a service from the timeline category. This will tie into client timelines and due dates in the future. Next, enter a description of your product. This will be viewable to your client on their proposal and invoice. Finally, click Add Product to save the new entry. You will see it appear in your product catalog. To easily continue building your product catalog, you can copy and edit your new product or continue to add new products from scratch. In addition to creating your products, you can also combine them or create suite templates. These are a collection of your most used products neatly packaged into one suite, saving you time from having to add them individually to each proposal. Under the Suite Templates tab, click Add Suite, name it. After naming the suite and adding a description, click Add Product to begin building the suite. Select any product or combination of products from your catalog. Continue adding products and review the updated total price before saving the suite. Click Create Suite to save your new suite template. The template appears in the Suite Templates list. If needed, open the Edit Suite modal for a template, add or remove products, or adjust quantities, and click Update Suite to save changes. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more tutorials on how to tailor VowProof to reflect your brand and streamline your workflow.